Hello everyone. In this session, I am going to discuss the conversion of a normal form from PCNF to PDNF, or I can say from PDNF to PCNF. There are two methods. The one is that we can use the truth table, as did in the last session, that we can use if a PCNF is given, draw the truth table for that expression and use the same concept as discussed in the last session to obtain a PDNF. If PDNF is given, construct a truth table for PDNF and follow the step to obtain PCNF by using the truth table. Okay, the second way is what? The second method is what? That we also called as a negation law, or we can say the double negation law. What it says that if a Boolean expression is given as f, the naming is f, and we take its double complement, then it comes out same as the original expression. Okay, so by using this concept, we can use PCNF from a given PDNF or PDNF by using the given PCNF. Now, these two complement are taken in a two different manner. Let us see how we can take it. The first complement that we are going to take it is what? In this way, we are supposed to take the complement. We are supposed to take the complement of f with respect to the complete normal form. That means what? If f is there, if it is PCNF, we are supposed to write the complete CNF. We can represent it as f, and then the complement first is nothing but capital F minus small f. Here minus means what? We are deleting all the terms that f is having from capital F, and the leftover part we are calling as f complement. Okay, so this is how we are going to obtain the first complement, which is the complete disjunctive, complete normal form. Either it is CNF, then it will be complete CNF. If the given expression is for DNF, then capital F will be complete DNF. Now, the second complement will be taken on the basis of the De Morgan's law. That means what? The resulting expression, whatever is obtained, will take its complement. Like one complement, I will take one more complement, and it looks like this: capital F minus small f complement. Now we'll remove this second complement by using the De Morgan's law. Now, what the De Morgan's law is saying, if we do have an expression, suppose that I do have an expression, two Boolean expression P and Q is there, and if I want to find its negation, so it says that the negation distributed individually and this OR is converted into N. The second one is what? If it is on OR, then it is converted on AND. So this is what De Morgan's law we do have. So the second complement is simplified by using this De Morgan's law. The first complement is what? It is complete normal form minus the given expression. So these are the two steps, two major steps that we are supposed to use to find a PDNF from the given PCNF or PCNF from the given PDNF. Let us take one example on it. So from the given PDNF, we are supposed to find PCNF. So now the PDNF, yes, it is a PDNF. The products is there and we are doing their sum. It is in two variable, and you can see every term is having both the variable, either directly them or their complement. So yes, this is a PDNF and we are interested to find PCNF. So the first thing is what? We are supposed to write the complete DNF, complete disjunctive normal form for the two variable. And if you remember, we discussed this in the last video too. A complete DNF is what? The sum of all the minterm for two variables. So this is one of the minterm, plus this is the second minterm, plus this is the third minterm, plus this is the fourth minterm. So in total, we do have 4 minterm in case of two variable. Now, in step number 1, we are supposed to take the complement of the given f. The complement of f is what? Capital F minus small f. Here minus means what? we are deleting the small f term which is there in capital F, and the leftover term of f will be listed over there. So PQ is there, so we are supposed to remove it. P dash Q is there, so remove it. What left? These two terms left. So this is what capital F minus small f. This is how we obtain capital F minus small f. Quite easy. From capital F, remove those terms which is there in the given normal form, and leftover part should be written leftover part of the capital F. Now, in step number 2, what we are supposed to do? Take one more complement. So now this is equation number 1. So take complement of first. Say take complement, or I can say negation of first. So how it will looks like if I take complement, this will be the double complement of f, which is same as original f, and it comes out as whatever f complement is there, take its complement. So this is how we are taking its complement. Now we are going to use the De Morgan's law. So this is on plus. So when we take De Morgan's law, it will convert it into dot. It is having two terms. This is one term. This is two term. So the De Morgan law will say that when complement move inside, it will do the complement of individual term, and the between or is converted into and end is converted into or. So it will equivalent to P dot Q complement is already there. So this complement in place of plus, it will comes out as dot P complement dot Q complement. This is how to obtain by De Morgan's law. Now one more time I suppose to use the De Morgan law because one more complement is there. So take this complement once again inside by De Morgan's law. So individual complement, this dot converted into plus. One complement is already there with you, and one comes by the De Morgan's law. So this is how the second times we are using De Morgan's law. As a law, we know that the double complement of a proposition is proposition itself. So double complement of Q is Q, double complement of P is P, double complement of Q is Q. This is obtained and it is identical to the given proposition. Now just see in the given proposition what it is given. This is your PDNF and we convert it in terms of PCNF. The sum is there and we are multiplying them, called as the product of sum. Quite simple. Take first complement as F minus F. Take second complement by using the De Morgan's law. Now let us take one more example. This example from PCNF to PDNF. So now a PCNF is given and we are interested to write PDNF. So step number 1, we are supposed to write capital F. Capital F is the complete CNF for the case of two variable. That means product of all the max term. So all the max term, this is how we can write all the max term for two variable, and then product them, or we can say the multiplication of them, or end connective for them. This is your capital F. Now we are supposed to find the first complement, which is capital F minus small f. Now once again repeating here, minus means what? Deleting the term of small f from capital F. So this is P plus Q. So this got cancelled. This is P complement plus Q. This will cancel out. So what left from here? It is P plus Q complement into P complement plus Q complement. So step 1 is obtained. Now for step number 2, what we are supposed to do? Take the complement again. So once again, take the complement of this expression. So what I will get, F double complement equals to, which is the same F, and what is right hand side? So P plus Q complement, then dot P complement plus Q complement, and taking its complement. Now De Morgan's law says that when complement move inside, if it is dot, it is converted into plus. So how much it looks like? P plus Q complement in place of dot comes out as plus, then P complement plus Q complement complement. One more time we are supposed to use De Morgan's law. So take this complement inside once again. So it comes out P complement in place of plus, it will comes out as dot. And the second thing, P double complement dot Q double complement, because one complement is already there. As a law, we know that the twice complement of a expression is that expression itself. So this is your F now, the updated F. Do remember one thing, whether I'm taking this F or this F, both give the same truth value. Earlier, it is given as PCNF. Now, by using the laws, I obtained as PDNF. I hope you understand the examples. I have taken two, one for PCNF to PDNF, one for PDNF to PCNF. Try to solve this for your practice. I hope you understand the concept of converging PCNF to PDNF and PDNF to PCNF. Now, let us close this session.